The E1 error code on a Whirlpool washing machine indicates a problem with the drain pipe, appearing when the machine takes longer than expected to drain water. This issue can be caused by a clogged drain hose, often resulting from the accumulation of lint or debris from cloth items. Another common cause is a dirty pump filter, which can become clogged with debris over time, inhibiting the washer's ability to drain water efficiently. Using the wrong detergent can also lead to this error, as high-efficiency washing machines require a specific type of detergent to prevent the formation of suds that can make it difficult for the washer to drain water. To fix this issue, it is essential to use the right detergent, specifically HE detergent with enzymatic properties, and to use the correct amount. Checking the drain pipe is also crucial, as a poorly installed or clogged pipe can prevent the washer from draining water. To do this, disconnect the machine from the power and water supply, remove the rear panel to access the drain pipe, and then disconnect the pipe from the washer to check for any blockages or damage. Cleaning the pipe with water and reconnecting it to the machine, ensuring all wires and cables are properly connected, can often resolve the issue. Additionally, cleaning the pump filter is necessary, as it can become clogged with debris. This can be done by placing a towel or container near the filter to catch any water that may drip out, opening and detaching the filter, and then cleaning it with soap and water before rinsing and reattaching it to the washer. If the issue persists, checking the pressure switch or considering replacing the washer's control board may be necessary. By following these steps, the E1 error code can be resolved, and the washing machine can function efficiently once again.